Hi guys, welcome back to our channel IPFighter. Have you ever faced the problem where you can't access a website while using a proxy? Whether you're new to proxies or have used them before, this video will give you clear steps to solve their web accessing problems. When you encounter such issues, consider the following checks to diagnose and resolve the problem. The first thing to check is the proxy configuration. If your proxy isn't set up properly, you won't be able to access websites. Depending on the type of browser and operating system you use, each one will require a different way to set up proxy. Make sure you've entered the correct information for your proxy, such as the IP address, port number, and any username or password if required. After done setting up, check if your IP address has actually changed. The next thing to check is the proxy type. Understanding the nature of the proxy you're using is essential, whether it's residential or data center, static or rotating, IPv4 or IPv6. Some websites may not fully support IPv6, potentially leading to connectivity issues. If you don't use the right type of proxy, then there's a high chance you won't be able to access the site. Next is the quality of the proxy. The quality of your proxy service can significantly impact your web access experience. If your IP is on a blacklist, you might have to deal with CAPTCHAs, which can be tricky to bypass. Investigate whether your current IP address is part of a blacklist or falls within a blocked IP range for the website you're attempting to access. You can conveniently perform this check by using external resources like IP checking websites such as IPFighter. For additional information, you can watch our previous video explaining about blacklisted and clean proxy linked in the description. Another thing is to check is your browser extension. Browser extensions can sometimes introduce conflicts with your proxy setup. See if any browser extensions, like WinScribe or multi-account containers, are causing issues with your proxy. If they are, try turning them off or making changes to them. The next thing to check is the Firewall and Antivirus software. Your computer's security infrastructure may sometimes interfere with your proxy connections. Check if your web access is blocked by a firewall or antivirus software on your computer. These security measures might be responsible for blocking or disrupting your web access. If that's the case, adjusting their settings or temporarily disabling them can often resolve such conflicts. One more thing is the ISP of the proxy. Check if the website you're trying to access is being blocked by the Internet Service Provider, ISP, of your proxy provider. You can do this by using a different network, such as switching to mobile data or connecting to Wi-Fi from another ISP. The last thing to check is your device. It's possible that your computer or phone may have previously been blocked by the website, leading to access restrictions. Even if you change your IP, the website may still detect the device fingerprint. Try accessing the web from a different device using the same proxy to see if the issue persists. Another option is to use tools like the Hide MyAC Anti-Detect browser, which works like using a different device. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to get notified about my upcoming videos. If you have any further questions, you can contact us via Facebook or Twitter. Good luck and see you next time.